Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that could transform your business, leveraging AI even if you're 40 or older and don't consider yourself tech savvy. AI isn't just for the young or for tech experts. It's an incredibly powerful tool for anyone in business, no matter your skill level. So if you want to increase your reach, automate mundane tasks and make smarter decisions without needing a degree in computer science, stick around. I'll be covering several practical beginner-friendly tips that you can start using today. And by the end, you'll have actionable strategies to help you boost your business's success with AI. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to use AI-powered customer service tools. AI-powered chatbots are a great starting point for customer service, and they're surprisingly simple to set up. Services like Zendesk and ChatGPT powered bots allow you to answer common customer questions, handle FAQs, and even provide 24/7 support, all without you needing to be online. Setting up these chatbots can take as little as a few hours, and they often come with easy to use templates. Imagine this: a customer wants to know your return policy, and your AI assistant handles it while you sleep. With an AI chatbot, you're available whenever your customers are, and they get immediate, accurate answers, increasing your customer satisfaction. You'll also cut down on time spent answering the same questions repeatedly, giving you more time to focus on other areas of your business. For a personal touch, many tools allow you to customize responses to fit your brand's voice, even if you aren't a tech whiz. These systems are designed to make the setup process very straightforward, and they're often plug and play. Let's move on to tip number 2, which is to use AI for content creation and social media. Do you need help creating engaging content? AI tools like Jasper, Copy.ai or Canva's AI text generator are designed to create posts, captions, and even blog articles which are tailored to your business. This can save you hours brainstorming content ideas and writing copy, and ensure consistency in your social media presence. Think about a week's worth of posts generated in just a few minutes. For example, you could input a few keywords like online business and beginner tips, and let the AI suggest a month's worth of social media content. You can also use tools like Canva to generate eye-catching images or visuals that fit your brand with zero design skills needed. With AI helping you craft posts, you don't have to worry about creativity blocks or spending ages on edits. You'll not only have a professional looking social media feed, but you'll also have more time to engage with your audience personally. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to automate your email marketing. AI-powered email tools like MailChimp and ActiveCampaign allow you to automate your email marketing, whether you're welcoming a new subscriber or nurturing leads. These tools use AI to send the right emails at the right time based on user behavior. So even if you're busy, your subscribers are still receiving personalized content. For example, you could set up a welcome series for new subscribers with minimal effort. Imagine a lead clicks on a new product's link in your email, and AI triggers a follow-up email highlighting similar products. This level of automation feels personalized to the reader and encourages conversions without requiring your constant attention. These tools often offer drag and drop editors and easy to use templates, so you can create effective email campaigns without being a designer. Once you set up your campaigns, they'll run in the background, turning leads into customers while you focus on other areas of your business. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to leverage AI for market research and trends. Platforms like Spark, Toro, and Google Trends analyze massive data sets to help you understand what's trending with your target audience. These tools break down complex data into actionable insights, so you don't need to be a data analyst to understand them. Picture this: you're launching a new product, and using Spark Toro, you discover that your target demographic is highly interested in sustainability. With this knowledge, you can position your product to highlight eco-friendly features, making it more appealing. AI tools like these save you from spending hours sifting through data, giving you quick insights. By understanding trends and your audience's interests, you can make informed business decisions that resonate with customers, all with the help of AI doing the heavy lifting. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to streamline your sales process with AI. AI-driven CRM tools like Salesforce or HubSpot can help you automate and streamline your sales process. They track customer interactions, schedule follow-ups, and even offer suggestions on when to reach out to a lead, helping you to stay organized without feeling overwhelmed. Imagine getting a reminder to contact a lead when they're most likely to respond, or automatically following up with a customer who's shown interest in your product. These tools analyze patterns and behaviors to provide actionable recommendations. So instead of managing every lead manually, you're working smarter with AI guidance. With AI's assistance, you can improve your response times, reduce the chances of missed sales opportunities, and increase your conversion rates, all without needing an assistant. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to utilize AI for financial management. AI-powered accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks can handle tasks such as invoicing, track expenses, and even offering financial forecasting. These tools simplify financial management, helping you make data-driven financial decisions even if numbers aren't your strong suite. For example, QuickBooks can categorize your expenses and track cash flow automatically, showing you where you're overspending or areas to cut costs. AI predictions also give you insights into your financial future, helping you plan better without needing an accountant to explain the numbers. Automating these financial tasks reduces stress and keeps your financial health in check, allowing you to make more informed decisions about growth and investments. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to use AI to enhance your website's user experience. AI tools like Hotjar and Google Optimize can help you to improve your website's layout and user experience. They analyze visitor behavior, showing you what pages perform best, where people click, and where they lose interest. Even if you're not very tech savvy, you'll get clear, actionable feedback. Imagine discovering that users consistently drop off on your checkout page. With tools like Hotjar, you can see exactly where they click and where the problem might be. Maybe a button's hard to find or the page's layout is confusing. AI's insights help you make small changes that lead to big improvements. By optimizing your website with AI, you can enhance user satisfaction, keeping visitors engaged, and ultimately increase conversions, all without needing a full tech team. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to embrace AI for personalization. AI-driven platforms like Optimizely or Salesforce, Einstein, personalize user experiences by recommending products, content, or services based on past behaviors. You can give each visitor a unique experience that feels tailor-made just for them, increasing engagement and conversions. Think of it like this. A new visitor arrives at your website and AI highlights popular products in their preferred category, or based on past purchases, the AI can recommend related items. It's like having a personal shopper for every customer, boosting your chances of repeat business. With AI doing the heavy lifting on personalization, you'll see stronger customer loyalty and your visitors feel more connected to your brand, as each interaction is relevant to their interests. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to tap into AI for competitive analysis. Staying competitive is key, and tools like Crayon or SEMrush use AI to track competitors' moves. They analyze everything from your competitors' keywords to their social media tactics, giving you the insights to stay ahead in the market. Imagine discovering which keywords drive traffic to your competitor's website, or which products they're pushing on social media. AI tools collect this data and present it in an understandable format, allowing you to tweak your strategies without needing to be a digital marketing expert. By using AI for competitive analysis, you can keep your business agile and informed, helping you make strategic decisions to stay relevant and competitive in your niche. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to use AI for project management and team collaboration. AI-powered project management tools like Monday.com and Asana can help streamline workflows and boost team collaboration. These platforms automate repetitive tasks like setting reminders, organising tasks and tracking project progress, making it very easy to stay on top of your business goals. For example, if you have a weekly task list, AI tools can automate recurring tasks, send reminders to team members and track completion rates without manual input. They can even suggest adjustments to deadlines based on project pace, helping you manage time more effectively. With AI helping manage your projects, you'll spend less time on logistics and more time on strategy, keeping your team aligned and focused on what matters most. Let's now move on to tip number 11, which is to implement AI for inventory and supply chain management. AI-driven inventory tools like Ship Hero and LiamSoft help you manage inventory levels, predict demand, and optimize supply chain efficiency. These tools analyze buying patterns, helping you avoid stockouts or overstock situations, even if managing inventory isn't your strong suite. Imagine you sell out of a product sooner than you expected, and AI predicts similar demand for the coming months. It can alert you to restock on time or suggest adjusting orders based on seasonal trends. This type of AI insight helps prevent inventory issues that could lead to lost sales or wasted stock. With AI monitoring your inventory and supply chain, you'll have a smoother operation and can better meet customer demands without constantly juggling stock manually. So there you have it, 11 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed. And please give the video a thumbs up, because that really does energise me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.